Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing these beautiful sunshades. You will find this at Sun Hut for $270, or you can always go the cheaper way, go to Ezcontacts, and I paid $137. This video, it is not sponsored by any means. I did pay with my own money. I just wanted to share my experience with you. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It is a sturdy box. When you open it, you have a box inside, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. The box looks like this. This is the box that the glasses come in. It does say here Versace. You do have the symbol there. The box looks a little on the beat up side, I would say. However, the glasses inside, they look perfectly fine. On the back, you have these stickers here, and let me turn these over. It says made in Italy, and it gives you a barcode number. And on the right side, you do have a DV number here. Okay, so this is the box from the actual glasses. Now once you open up the box, so you have the case here, but prior to that you do have a little booklet here. Again, it says Versace there, and it just gives you a certificate of I guess authentication, and yeah, that's what it is, a warranty. And then you also have your shade cleaners here. It does have a the logo there, and you have one more thing. What is this? Just random things. Okay, so this is the actual case. The case looks in perfect condition. That's what you have. Let me go ahead and open it up. You open up the case. Here are the actual sunglasses. One thing that I do want to mention is that they look in perfectly good condition. Looked at the DV number here, and you're also gonna find the same number right here. You see that? Is the same exact number. So we do know that the box belongs to this pair of sunglasses. Once again, they look authentic. I think they really are. I mean, they don't look like they would be a replica or anything like that. A pretty good price if you are to ask me. They did take about a week to get here. They also have the option to ship in one day, but of course I didn't want to pay that extra, and let me try them on for you. So this is what the glasses look like, and I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on so you can see how they look on. And I think they look fantastic. I am so in love with these glasses, totally in love. I think they are worth the price. So on the side they said, or it said that it was for men, but I think women or men can wear them, and they look good. That is the side. Okay guys, I hope that this review slash unboxing was helpful, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.